Welcome to Potty Training in 3 Days by thepottytrainer.com. Today's topic is breaking down the barriers to potty training. Potty training your toddler can be both rewarding and frustrating. Sometimes it's difficult to comprehend why your toddler is having such a hard time grasping the concept of potty training. Toddlers, not unlike adults, react to life situations that can result in creating a mental barrier to potty training. What types of situations can result in barriers? Stress. As parents, we may not realize that toddlers are subjected to stressful situations. They are. And just like we adults, toddlers can feel that taking on a new task may be just too much for them to handle during a stressful time. Sometimes stress can be a result of a loss of a loved one through death or divorce. Strife in the home can cause stress to a child. Even positive situations, such as the birth of a sibling or a move to a home, that can be stressful to your toddler. Potty training is a big undertaking for the child and the parent. To increase the success of your potty training efforts, choose a time when stress is minimal. Parental pressure. Parental pressure is another barrier that may actually defer successful potty training efforts. In our rush to meet some socially imposed deadline, we can consciously and subconsciously put too much pressure on our toddler. Relax, it will happen in all good time. Physical barriers. There are physical barriers as well. If potty training is done during the winter months, clothing can be a formidable barrier. Buttons, zippers, and lots of extra clothing may mean that your toddler won't make it to the potty in time to be successful. For a positive experience, experts recommend beginning potty training during the summer months when clothing is kept to a minimum. Medical issues. We know how difficult life can be for us when we are experiencing bladder or urinary tract infections or diarrhea, and we're adults. The problem is amplified if your toddler is struggling with these problems during potty training. This is one of those situations where experts recommend setting aside your potty training goals until these barriers are overcome. If your toddler is having difficulty passing stools, he may become terrified of using the potty. His mind begins to associate that whole process with pain. You can help reduce the chance of your toddler experiencing constipation by having him drink lots of liquids and feeding him a healthy diet that contains plenty of fiber. Keeping a positive, flexible attitude throughout the training process is key. Being aware of what's going on in your toddler's life and creating a positive environment will help your child to overcome his barriers to potty training. Potty training your child is easy if you know what to do. ThePottyTrainer.com will teach you step by step how to potty train your child and be out of diapers in only 3 short days. Right now, go to www.thepottytrainer.com for more tips and ideas.